Hello everyone, my name is Jasmine Kaur. I am a PhD student at IIIT Delhi and I will be your TA for the course VLSI Design Flow RTL to GDS. This tutorial focuses on high-level synthesis. High-level synthesis is a design methodology used in digital hardware design. So this refers to process of converting high-level behavioral description of hardware functionality into an optimized hardware implementation. So it allows the designer to express the hardware system using high-level languages such as C, C++, or System C, and generates an output in the form of RTL description, which is normally expressed using hardware description languages such as VHDL or Verilog. For this, you can use any HLS tool. I will be using high-level synthesis tool Bambu, which is an open source tool. So let us see what are the steps to install Bambu. To install Bambu, firstly we will require to update the package index files on the system. So to install Bambu, first of all you will need to update the package index files on the system. So we can do that using sudo apt-get update command. So it is updating the system files. Now we need to install the dependencies for Bambu. So we will use this command. We will provide the details of this command in a tutorial sheet. Sudo apt-get install -y -no install recommends, build essential, CA certificates, GCC multilib, git iverilog, verilator, wget, and it is installing all these dependencies. So we need these dependencies to run the Bambu tool. So it's almost done. So the update installation is complete. We need to download the app image for Bambu. So using wget command, using this link from the Bambu website, we can download the app image. So this downloading will take a few minutes. Now the app image has been downloaded. Now using chmod +x command, we need to make this app image executable, and then we need to install libfuse2 library, which is a requirement for running app images. So here we are installing libfuse2. Now once it is done, now we can check if the Bambu is installed correctly using this command. So we can see it is working. So let us look at an example to see how it works. So this is a C file in which what we are doing is, if C variable is greater than 2, then it will subtract the 2 inputs, else if D is less than 5, it will add, and in all other cases it will take a value of 12. So let us see how to run. We have to run it from the home directory. So for high-level synthesis, the command looks like this. So we give the command /Bambu app image. the path to the C file, and minus minus stop fnim option is, this option is used to tell which function we want to implement in hardware. So in our case it is func. We enter. Now we can see this func.v file has been created, which is an RTL description of the C file that we gave in. So let us see what are the contents of this file. So this is how we have different modules in here. Conditional expression, greater than expression, less than equal to expression, minus expression, plus expression, data path, controller function, so you can analyze the different modules in the .v file created, and we will give you a tutorial sheet for this tutorial that you can refer to. Thank you.